Hello students, myself Miss Sonali Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Kokale College, Kolhapur. This is our fourth lecture on the topic linear differential equation of the second order from higher order ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation, paper number 4 from BSc first year. Okay, so today we will discuss method of variation of parameters. Okay, so let's start with this point, method of variation of parameters. Let the linear differential equation of second order by dy by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. This gives equation number 1. Let y is equal to u and y is equal to v be known integrals of the equation dy by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to 0. This gives equation number 2. Then y is equal to au plus bv gives complete solution of equation 2, but it will not be complete solution of equation 1. Now d2u upon dx square plus p du by dx plus qu is equal to 0, and d2v by dx square plus p dv by dx plus qv is equal to 0, that is u2 plus pu1 plus qu is equal to 0, and v2 plus pv1 plus qv is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Let us assume that y is equal to au plus bv, where a and b are not constants but are some functions of x, be the complete solution of equation 1. Now y is equal to au plus bv, therefore dy by dx is equal to au1 plus a1u plus bv1 plus b1v. So is equal to au1 plus bv1 plus a1u plus b1v. This gives equation number 4. Let us choose a and b such that a1u plus b1v is equal to 0. This gives equation number 5. So therefore dy by dx is equal to au1 plus bv1. This gives equation number 6. Therefore dy by dx square is equal to au2 plus a1u1 plus b1v1 plus bv2. This gives equation number 7. With these values of y, dy by dx and dy by dx square in the equation 1, it becomes au2 plus a1u1 plus b1v1 plus bv2 plus p into bracket au1 plus bv1 plus q into bracket au plus bv is equal to r. That is a into bracket a2 a into bracket u2 plus pu1 plus qu plus b into bracket v2 plus pv1 plus qv plus a1 u1 plus b1 v1 is equal to r. This gives equation number 8. In view of equation 3, equation 8 reduces to a1 u1 plus b1 v1 is equal to r. This is equation number 9. Solving equation 5 and 6 for a1 and b1 and integrating them, we get the values of a and b in terms of x. Hence y is equal to au plus bv, where a and b are functions of x, gives complete solution of linear equation 1. Now see here working rule. First find the solution of equation dy by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to 0 in the form y is equal to au plus bv. Second one, solving the equations a1u plus b1v is equal to 0, a1u1 plus b1v1 is equal to r. Find the values of a1 and b1. Now third one, interchanging a1 and b1, determine the values of a and b. Fourth one, y is equal to au plus bv, where a and b are functions of x, gives complete solution of linear equation dy by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Okay, now see here one example. Solve dy by dx square plus y is equal to cosec x by using the method of variation of parameters. Let's start with the solution. Given equation can be written in the form d square plus 1 into y is equal to cosec x. Therefore its auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore d is equal to plus minus I. So therefore CF is y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Therefore in usual notations u is equal to cos x and v is equal to sin x. The relation are a1 u plus b1 v is equal to 0 and a1 u1 plus b1 v1 is equal to r. So therefore a1 cos x plus b1 sin x is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And minus a1 sin x plus b1 cos x is equal to cosec x. This is equation number 2. Solving these equations, we obtain a1 is equal to minus 1 and b1 is equal to cot x. Integrating, we get a is equal to minus x plus c1 and b is equal to log sin x plus c2. Therefore, the complete solution of given equation is y is equal to minus x plus c1 cos x plus log of sin x plus c2 into sin x. That is y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus x cos x plus sin x into log of sin x. Okay. Now see next example. Solve x square into d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to x square into e raised to x by using method of variation of parameters. Let's start with the solution. The given equation can be written as d2y by dx square plus 1 divided by x dy by dx minus 1 divided by x square y is equal to e raised to x. Consider d2y by dx square plus 1 divided by x dy by dx minus 1 divided by x square y is equal to 0. That is x square d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to e raised to z, therefore z is equal to log x. The auxiliary equation is d into d minus 1 plus d minus 1 is equal to 0. That is d square minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore d is equal to plus minus I. So therefore CF is y is equal to e raised to z plus e raised to minus z is equal to e raised ax plus b divided by x. Let u is equal to x and v is equal to 1 divided by x and r is equal to e raised to x. The ratios are a1u plus b1v is equal to 0 and a1u1 plus b1v1 is equal to r. That is a1x plus b1 divided by x is equal to 0 and a1 minus b1 divided by x square is equal to e raised to x. Solving these equations, we get a1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 e raised to x and b1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 x square e raised to x. Integrating, we obtain a is equal to 1 divided by 2 e raised to x plus c1 and b is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 integration of x square into e raised to x into dx. So therefore b is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 x square e raised to x minus integration of 2 x e raised to x dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into bracket x square e raised to x minus 2 into x e raised to x plus 2 e raised to x plus c2 is equal to minus e raised to x divided by 2 into bracket x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c2. Therefore, the complete solution is y is equal to au plus bv. That is y is equal to 1 divided by 2 e raised to x into x plus minus e raised to x divided by 2 into bracket x square minus 2x plus 2 into 1 divided by x plus c1x plus c2 divided by x. That is y is equal to c1x plus c2 divided by x plus e raised to x minus e raised to x divided by x. Okay. Now next example, solve d2y by dx square minus y is equal to 2 into x e raised to x. Let's start with the solution. Its auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore d square is equal to 1. So therefore d square is equal to plus minus 1. Therefore CF is y is equal to a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x. In usual notations, u is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to e raised to minus x. The relations are a1u plus b1v is equal to 0 and a1u1 plus b1v1 is equal to r1. So that is a1 e raised to x plus b1 e raised to minus x is equal to 0 and a1 e raised to x minus b1 e raised to minus x is equal to 2x e raised to x. This gives equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get 2 into a1 e raised to x is equal to 2x e raised to x. Therefore a1 is equal to x. Also 1 and 2 gives 2b1 e raised to minus x is equal to minus 2x e raised to x. Therefore b1 is equal to minus x into e raised to 2x. Integrating, we get a is equal to x squared by 2 plus c1 and b is equal to minus integration of x e raised to 2x into dx. Therefore b is equal to minus into bracket x into e raised to 2x divided by 2 minus integration of 1 into e raised to 2x divided by 2 into dx is equal to minus x e raised to 2x divided by 2 plus e raised to 2x divided by 4 plus c2. Therefore the complete solution is y is equal to au plus bv. That is y is equal to x squared divided by 2 plus c1 into x plus minus x e raised to 2x divided by 2 plus e raised to 2x divided by 4 plus c2 into minus x into e raised to 2x. That is y is equal to c1x minus c2x e raised to 2x plus x cubed divided by 2 plus x square into e raised to 4x divided by 2 minus x into e raised to 4x divided by 4. Okay. So thank you for listening. We cover the next point in next lecture. Thank you.